Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making the world's fluffiest bread with just 2 ingredients. No yeast, no butter, no fancy machines. Just simple sounds, simple joy, and a cloud-like loaf of bread. So get comfy, put on your headphones, and let's bake together. Look at that texture. So soft, it almost breathes. The crust sings, the crumb melts. A drizzle of honey, or just a bite on its own. Pure perfection. This is the magic of simplicity. Just 2 ingredients, endless comfort. 2 ingredients only. The first, all-purpose flour. Soft, powdery, like fresh snow. The second, Greek yogurt. Thick, creamy, and tangy. That's it. No magic tricks, just these 2 simple things that make pure magic when they meet. We'll take 1½ cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Scoop, level, pour. Listen to the texture, the flour whispering as it falls. Add the yogurt slowly. The balance of light and dense, that's what makes it fluffy. Now we mix. You can use a spoon or your hands. Listen to the dough. Soft, stretchy, alive. It's coming together. Sticky at first, then smooth. This sound is the sound of something amazing forming. Sprinkle little flour on your counter, then press and fold. Press, fold, press, fold. Each push fills the dough with tiny air pockets. Feel the change from sticky to silky. This is where the fluffiness begins. Once the dough feels smooth, shape it into a ball. You can divide it for rolls, or keep it whole for one big loaf. Tuck the edges under, like wrapping a soft pillow. Listen to the tiny pops of air inside. It's alive. It's ready. Now, let it rest for 15 minutes. Not too long. Just enough for the gluten to relax. Cover it gently with a kitchen towel. This moment is calm, quiet. The dough is resting, and so are we. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You feel the warmth spreading through the kitchen. It's time to turn this simple mix into golden fluff. The sound of the oven door closing, that's the promise of something beautiful coming soon. As it bakes, the bread rises gently. The yogurt steams, lifting the flour like a cloud. You can almost smell it through the screen. Soft, sweet, toasty. This is where patience becomes reward. Carefully take it out. Listen to that crust, golden, light, and singing as it cools. Tap the top, hear the hollow sound. That's the sound of perfect fluff. Now the best part, the slice. Slow, steady. Hear the crunch outside and the sigh inside. So soft it melts when you press it. The world's fluffiest bread from just 2 ingredients. It's warm, light as air, slightly tangy, perfectly tender. You can eat it plain or with honey, jam, or butter. No additives, no secrets. Just 2 ingredients and pure joy. Thank you for watching and relaxing with me. If you enjoyed the sound journey, tap like and subscribe for more calm cooking. Let's make the world softer, one fluffy loaf at a time. Until next time, stay cozy, stay creative.